you're looking for the best HostGator coupon code, this is the exact deal you want to use right now. HostGator is currently offering an exclusive discount of up to 76% off hosting, plus a free domain name on eligible plans. And yes, this is an exclusive deal, meaning you can get lower pricing than going directly to the HostGator website. In this video, I'll show you how to get the HostGator discount, which plan you should choose, and how to get the lowest possible price. Let's get started. To get this exclusive HostGator discount, go down to the description below and click the link I provided. The discount is automatically applied. There's no coupon code you need to manually enter. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You still get the lowest pricing available, often even lower than going directly. Once you click the link, you'll land on the exclusive HostGator discount offer. Click the Get Started button, and you'll see the available hosting plans. Hatchling Plan. This plan starts as low as $2.99 per month. It's perfect if you're creating your first website, running a personal blog, or only need one website. Baby Plan. This plan starts as low as $3.99 per month. This is the best option for most people because you can host multiple websites. It gives you more flexibility as you grow. Business Plan. This plan starts as low as $5.49 per month. This is ideal if you want more performance, added features for scaling, better overall value for growing websites. Pro Plan. This plan starts as low as $13.95 per month. This is best for high traffic websites, advanced users, or anyone who wants maximum performance and resources. Now here's how to get the biggest exclusive discount possible. Choose the 3-year term. This is where you'll unlock the full 76% off discount and get the lowest monthly price available. You get a free domain name when you choose any annual plan, 1 year, or 3 year. But keep this in mind. The monthly plan does not include a free domain. The monthly plan is also more expensive long term. So if you want the best value, go with at least a 1-year plan, ideally the 3-year plan. After selecting your plan and billing term, you'll go to the checkout page. At this point, the exclusive discount is already applied. Just create your account, enter your payment details, and complete your purchase. If you want the lowest possible price with HostGator, use the exclusive link in the description. Choose the 3-year term, pick the plan that fits your needs. That's how you lock in the maximum discount plus free domain. If you want to get started with HostGator today, click the exclusive link in the description. Secure the discount and launch your website for the lowest price possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.